Hello everyone and welcome to Newton Gate Academy where we make your dreams come true. So today's video is going to be about the organization of our talent hunt and DIY event. And we are going to share the wonderful glimpses of both the events. We hope that you all are going to like it. So let's get started with the video. Now here the question comes that why do we conduct the talent hunt and DIY event every year? Number one, it helps the students to bring out the inner potential. Number two, it helps to increase their mental ability. Number three, it helps the students to increase their logical reasoning ability. Number four, the exciting prizes and awards encourages the students for active participation. Number five, it builds their confidence level to face more such competitive exams in the long run.
So beside the talent hunt exam, we also conduct do-it-yourself competition every year. Now let us have a look at our champs who all have achieved the overall first, second and third positions.
Which program deals with yoga and meditation? No hands? Okay. Yes, please your name? My name? Yes. Okay. Yes, please tell me. What is the answer? Mind reading. Mind reading. Very good. Yes, please say loudly your name. Yes, Roy. Please everyone clap for Okay, and our last question is, how many career options are shown in this video? Okay, Sudiksha, tell me. 12. 12. And tell me which is your personal favorite? Ma'am, that's everything. Yes? Law. Law. Okay, very good. Sudiksha, everyone clap for Sudiksha. Please come over here. I'll take you here. You will be a lawyer. Very good. Very good. Third rank holder Jyotipriya Dash, class 4. Present? Now we will be declaring from class 6. Okay? First rank holder Ashmita Gandhi, class 6. Clap for Ashmita. Ashmita, this is your certificate. I'm very happy that Gautami has got this prize. Very brilliant student.
Excellent.
I will say. And for you, so K. Gagan, Rituvina Gupta, Pritam Nashkar, Siddharth Roy, Shivali Singh. Prinshu Ghosh, class 10, has participated last year. Talent and examination.
For the best student,
For the best student, that is around us track for MBBS, right? Yeah, and we are really very proud of him for his excellent preparation and his performance. Big So Rahul, would you like to say something about your institute?
Thank you. experience.
Thank you. Thank you.
So apart from the curriculum, I think we have a lot of stress in our daily life, right? So to relieve that stress, yoga and meditation is very beneficial. Do you agree? Yes. So this upcoming video is about yoga and meditation. Let's have a look. Okay? She is the first rank holder in talent hunt examination.
Tomorrow.
She is gaining the cash prize totally of 10,000. One certificate also. I've been in Music Day for around 2 years now, and I've always got unconditional support, and I've always got last minute discussions and updates from all my teachers are really grateful to me. So thank you very much.
Thank you all for your overwhelming participation. So we wish you all the best. You are the scholars of Newton Gate Academy. We organize this Talent Hunt program every year. So we are coming up with the Talent Hunt program of 2023 for the next year. So stay tuned with us for more updates and the registration details.